Talk to us exactly what the mood is like. So they seem to have an agreement, but will it be enough?
Francine, they seem to have gone down the safe road, and that safe road is to do 9 months extension. Khalid al-Fali, the Saudi minister, he went to Iraq just the other day to actually make sure that Iraq was on board. So they seem to have gone for this consensus around 9 months for the safe option. Now, if you look at Brent market this morning, I went up there, and you're right, in the rough and tumble of the scrum, what disappointed the market this morning was the fact that they haven't heard an exit strategy. What are we going to do at the end of 9 months? Do we have an option, as the Russians suggested, for a 3-month extension? We also had the pleasure of catching up with Emmanuel Kachiku. He's the Nigerian oil minister. Look, he's exempt, so there's a certain, exoneration of pressure on him at the moment. But if they do a 9-month deal, maybe with 3-month sprinkles at the end, what could it do to the price? Check it out.
On a positive note, or an optimistic note, there are lots of us who hope we can crawl back to 60. Today it's about 54 on Brent. Let's see what happens by the time we finish and really confirm the 9 months, and if there is in fact a consensus around 12 months, what sort of impact it gives. But 60, given the last 6 months' behavior, seems to be very optimistic. 50, very realistic.
Francine, I wish all oil ministers were as easy, accessible and as charming, but I suppose the pressure's not really on him, is it? Libya and himself, Nigeria, they've got the exemptions. Saudi's done the heavy lifting. Iraq needs to get on board. We caught up with him this morning, and as he said, he would support 6, he'd support 9. He is on board in terms of getting there. Khalid al-Fali said, look, my neighbours, my brothers, my brethren, Khalid al-Fali, the Saudi Arabian oil minister, very much making the point, we're going to hit 102% compliance and probably do a little bit better than that. The question for markets, I'll leave it with you and Tom, is can we balance at the 5-year average by Christmas? What does it do to the price of a barrel of oil? Double nickel, Tom. Take it away.